Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Rizz means? Let's explore. Rizz is a slang term short for charisma, used to describe someone who has a natural charm or smoothness, particularly in social situations or when flirting. Someone with Rizz can effortlessly attract others with their personality, making them seem confident and likable. The term is often used to compliment someone's ability to impress or win over others with ease. It's part of a broader internet lexicon that values social skills and the ability to connect with people in a compelling way. Rizz is all about that intangible quality that makes someone magnetic, able to navigate social interactions with grace and charm. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.